Welcome to this guided visualization to help you manifest gold in abundance into your life. Today, we are going to be focusing on visualizing and manifesting gold in all its forms and in abundance. By using the powerful affirmations from this video, you'll be able to quickly and easily attract gold into your life. Sit back, relax, and let's begin forming the headspace required to manifest gold. Picture yourself surrounded by tons and tons of gold and riches. See yourself standing in the midst of a beautiful, opulent room filled with luxury objects. As you take a deep breath, you feel a sense of calm and happiness washing over you. You realize deep within yourself that you are now worthy of a lot of gold and abundance. Now, repeat the following golden affirmations after me. I am a magnet for gold, and it comes to me easily. I attract gold in abundance and bring it into my life effortlessly. I am open to receiving innumerable amounts of gold from multiple sources. My life is filled with gold as far as my eyes can see. With all the gold that I possess, I am abundant and able to live the life of my dreams. Aside from gold, wealth comes to me in abundance and in all forms. I am grateful for all this gold that brings immense prosperity into my life. Now that you have visualized yourself surrounded by gold in abundance, take a deep breath and know that these positive affirmations will continue to manifest in your life. Remember to focus on gold in its numerous forms and in abundance every single day, and you will surely begin to see your wealth growing exponentially. Thank you for taking the time to visualize gold and abundance with me today.